this headlight restoration kit. I am very happy with the results, and I just want to share them with you. Part number on this is 39175. I'll have a link to this in the description below. Alright, here is a look at the headlights before. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mask off around the perimeter of the headlight so that we don't sand on the paint. So let's check out what's in this kit. There's a pad that attaches to the drill. It's a hook and loop. I sent some masking tape, which I already took care of. Some gloves. And a nice terry cloth. Alright, so we got a few different abrasives. We got a 800, 500, 500. So it looks like we're going to start with the 500, end with the 800, and then there's some clear coat wipes also. That'll go in after they're completely done. Alright, so here's what the kit includes. The pad holder, 6 500 grit sanding pads, 4 800 grit sanding pads, 1 3000 grit sanding pad, 2 headlight clear coat wipes, masking tape, detail cloth, and disposable gloves. So in the instructions, we're just going straight to the 500, no wet sanding. Then we'll work our way up to 800, and then we will be wetting the 3000 grit pad. So here we go. So I don't know if you can tell, there's a coloration difference. Pull you in here. So right here and here. So this, the clear coat's gone. The clear coat that's actually causing all this. So what I'm trying to do is get it uniform to this and get rid of this cloudier part. Once we get rid of that, then we can move on to the 800. Alright, well this first sanding is to get the clear coat off, and we're looking for uniformity. I'll go over it real quick and see if there's any areas that show there's still clear coat. Okay, I think I'm gonna switch over to 800 now. All right. Well, now we're probably thinking, what in the heck have I just done? I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some water and wipe it down. Alright, so now we're ready for the 3000 grit. And some water. So, just going to spray that down. The instructions say spray the pad down. Alright, I think that's about it on the 3000. So there's still a clear coat to put on this. I'm going to take you to the other side real quick so you can see the difference. So there's one that's not been touched yet. And then this. So as we get in close, it's still a little hazy. But here you can tell that this lens has junk on it, and so I'm thinking once we get the clear on this, we should be in good shape. Alright, so we are ready to put the clear coat on. There's 2 wipes for 2 coats. So I've already done the other side, I've already sanded it and everything. So now I'm going to put 1 coat on each, and here we go. It says work from the top down. It actually says just do 1 coat. That looks really good to me. Well, for a first coat, that looks really good. Hopefully it dries that clear. If it does, I'll be really happy. So you can get an idea. So it says this coat to dry for 5 to 15 minutes before applying the second coat. Alright, here we go. This is coat number 2. It's been 10 minutes, so I kind of went in between the 5 and the 15. So this will be the final coat. We'll go ahead and put it on now, working from the top down. And that's all it takes. I spent about 20 minutes per headlight, and I'm really happy with the results. So I didn't make this video to do a review of the 3M headlight restoration kit. However, I will say I'm very happy with the results. I was short probably 2 of the 500 grit discs, not because it wasn't in the kit, but because of the extent of the damage on my headlights and probably the size of the headlights. That being said, everything worked as it was intended. The instructions were good, and the results I'm very pleased with. If you found this video to be helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe.